It's Giacomo speaking. Thanks for watching this quick video on Bitcoin to US dollar pair. We are in the cryptocurrency market, 2 hours candlestick, and this is what it looks like in front of us. So first of all, let's start without my technical analysis interpretation, as the idea of this channel is just to give you an idea of how technical analysis works and get you confident with technical analysis. I'm just trying to find the right length for this exponential moving average, and we can see that 300 worked very well as support for this new rally. But if we'll keep changing it, so we should keep focusing on the 300, and let's see what is going to happen if this 300 exponential moving average will be broken in the next day. If it will happen, it means that it's it can be read as signal of weakness of this market. Now let's go back to my technical analysis interpretation, and this is what I think it looks like now, the market, and it is a bullish trend, because this is a bullish trend. It's moving upward, and it has been confirmed by the exponential moving average as the slope is an upward slope. And there is something weird that happened right here. This peak, let me just move a little bit more toward this side, and it is where we are. So this peak, as I was telling you, is lower than the previous one, giving again a weakness signal of this market. Now this one can look like a reversal signal, a reversal pattern, but it's too early to say that. We need to wait what's going to happen, and if it will work as a reversal pattern, the idea is that this trend line will be broken in the next days with a possible target price of $20,000 US. So the idea is that this one will go down only if the bullish trend line will be broken, and downward, of course. On the other side, I gave generally 55% probabilities that this stock will keep going upward, because it's easier for a trend to keep following its previous movement. So if it's an uptrend, if it's going upward, it's easier for a trend to go upward rather than revert or reverse. So the idea is that it's gonna go upward, because mainly based on technical analysis, it's easier. Again, it's most likely that a trend will keep proceeding following its previous trend rather than revert. But there is an opportunity that it can revert. Sorry about that. It can revert because of this lower peak that shows a weakness signal of this stock. So as we are right now, the idea is just to hold before getting to this possible target price of, I think is almost, let's say, 42,000, but as we are right now, just hold and see what's gonna happen around this level of approximately, let's say, 33,000 US dollar, because you know, if this trend line will be broken, it's gonna be a further weakness signal, as well as if this exponential moving average of 300 will be broken, is a further that almost they match almost together. This is the level that we need to look at. We need to watch carefully what's gonna happen there. But the idea is that if this trend line or exponential moving average will be broken, the idea is to keep holding, because perhaps this is really is gonna work as a reversal signal, and the price is gonna go down, or is just a pullback, so a fake signal, false signal, and the market will keep going upward. So this is option B, and I gave 55 again as probabilities, because generally a trend will keep stay in place rather than reverse. So it's easier for a trend to keep following, to keep moving in that direction, in this case uptrend, rather than revert or reverse. So in conclusion, just hold for now, because we got this weakness signal, and Perhaps if this trend line will not be broken, and if this exponential moving average will not be broken, the idea is to go long, or vice versa, keep holding, because it can be even also a fake false signal, false signal, again a fake signal, false signal, that it can broke, this trend line might be broken the next days by again giving a false signal. So I would not go short in a bullish trend, because the idea is always to go long, but due to these weakness signals that we just got with this peak lower than the previous one, I would just hold right now before going long to see what's going to happen. If this trend line will not be broken the next days, perhaps there might be an opportunity to go long up to this new target price, as I told you before, around 42,000 US dollar. So in conclusion, just hold before going long, and going long only if this trend line and exponential moving average will not be broken. Thanks.